Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, I am super excited. I am going to show you how I make my salted boiled fish. That's right, without further ado, let's get cooking. Those are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have the fish right here already clean. Salt, rosemary, thyme, onion, bell peppers, hot peppers, cloves, lime juice, butter, and water. The first thing that I'm doing here is marinate the fish. I'm using salt and lime juice. Let it marinate for 30 minutes or more. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Now the fish is finished marinade. Let's go ahead and boil the fish. You're gonna love this. The pot is nice and hot. I'm going to reduce the heat. Add the butter, let it melt. Then add the onion. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the fish over it. That's one of the great tricks, so it would prevent the fish from sticking and the sticking pot. If you are not using a non-stick pot, this is a great way to boil your fish. Add water and the rest of the ingredients. Cover it up, let it boil for 20 minutes or more. While it's boiling, go ahead and check it. See if it needs any water or if you want to add additional pepper to your liking. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.